Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I tied this beautiful yet simple turban, Ankara turban on my model's head. So starting off, I'm going to be showing you the length. This is like 1¼ yard. That's like, let's say 50 inches of turban. Then this is my model Humaira. I'm going to be placing the gele behind her. That's the Ankara. After folding it in a triangular shape, I'm just showing you that is a 50-50 part turban. It's equal part. So I'll be raising up one of the handles and then bringing the other one. So sorry for the noise in the background. If you're hearing too much noise, I couldn't find my mic. So I had to record like that using my phone. So I'm going to be twisting it at the top. I don't want to compress it. When you're twisting, do not press it down. Don't compress it too much. Ask her to hold on to it so that it doesn't fall off, like so that it doesn't look too um loose. Yes, so you ask her not to hold on to it so that it doesn't look too loose. So ask her to just press it down. I don't want to press it down too much when you twist it, and then I'll be holding on to it at the back of her head and then tying that as a knot, then using a pin to secure it, because I don't want the gele to be too tight. If it's too tight, that's when the turban will look too compressed and it's not going to be looking as neat or as full as we want it to look. So pulling off the remnants, I'll push her hair backwards and then pull the remnants of the turban to the top, because of course you're going to be using that one too. And then you want to make sure the handles or the label of the Ankara is not showing. That is another rule you guys should know when you're tying your turban, or except if you have any intentions of showing anybody you know that this is the type of Ankara you're wearing. So that remnants that we pulled off from the back of her head, I'm going to be twisting it again too. As you can see, I just twisted it and then voila, this is the final look of the turban. This is it. And as simple as this, can you see? I just twisted the top of the turban, and as you can see, I'm covering the handle of the Ankara. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you want it to be firm, you know, we tied it loosely. So I'm going to hold the tip of the turban from the forehead and then hold it on with a pin so that it looks tight and firm. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.